Hey there guys, and welcome to a day in the life of the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. Today you've got different presenters rather than Jason and young Sean. You've got Jack and Jasmine. We work here as part-time workers or casual workers at Waikato Sheds. We do things such as cleaning the windows. As you can see, they haven't been cleaned before. Cleaning the gutters, cleaning the sides. Often you can see me at times helping out Mark, building sheds with other crews such as Paul and Stan and Kyron and that. So I've been doing the underneath of these top beams and these guttering as they're quite dirty, they've had mould on the underneath and you know, they just haven't been cleaned since production, so lots of dust as the tradies have been doing their work, concreters, all getting up there. And then Jasmine, what have you been doing?
I've been cleaning the windows as since they were put in production. They got quite dirty and haven't been cleaned since.
So what, just going over it a couple times, making sure they look spick and span so you guys can all see right through, in and out. Welcome back to the day in the life. Here we are at Ronnie's Cafe and we've got some pints to test. I've got steak, bacon and cheese.
I got mince and cheese.
Yeah, we're going to try them out. Yeah.
I rate the mince a solid like 4 out of 5.
Good cheese to mince ratio.
Yeah.
Good bits of steak.
Yeah.
Pastry, not too soft, but soft enough where I can bite into it and I'm not covered in flakes.
Yes, I do like that.
I'd be giving this probably a solid 8.1, 9 out of 10. Certain
Yeah,
points to work out.
I give it a 8 because there's onion in here.
Not classified if there was onion in there. What if I'm allergic, guys?
Yeah.
But no, I would rate this as a great pie. Come down here to Ronnie's Cafe and try it out for yourself.
When I'm cleaning a window, I make sure that I have rags at the bottom to catch any water and use a stable ladder that won't move. So when you're cleaning a window, it's good to use long circular movement in order to like get all the dirt. Well, that's at least what some other YouTube video told me. And I work from top to bottom so that when I use the squeegee and it drips, it's not going over places I've already done. When using a squeegee, make sure to not let go. There.
Helping Jack here, done a great job setting up our adjustments on our irrigation sprinklers. You'll see we've got the system running and that we've installed a Rainbird irrigation system, and we always install sprinklers on our left hand side, which we've got that perfect, eh Jack?
Perfect.
Loving it, eh? Love your work, bro. Our little Rainbird screwdriver here. If you have a little look, Wayne, as the sprinkler comes round, so we're just trying to set this up to 180 degrees, you'll see it. Oh, you'll see me get wet.
Oh,
that must mean we're bang on with the left hand side, eh mate? Love your work.
Yeah.
There we go, that sprinkler hasn't gone far enough. I've still got a little bit of angle here that I need to adjust right. So we've got our little adjustment sprinkler, and even my eyes here I can just adjust this slightly. Get that round to there, let that click off. Now we're just going to see how far around we get here, Jack. What do you reckon? Have we nailed it? Let me see, let me get that line. Ah, not enough.
A bit more.
Let's see this time.
Let's see if we can get it right.
Just really, I love doing this stuff, eh?
Oh yeah.
Look at this, here we go, here we go.
Ooh,
Oh, I've gone too far.
a little bit too much.
I don't want to get those garters too wet, so I'm going to slightly adjust it. So it is all about being precise, which is great. And so we've got our tall fescue seed. You'll see it just starting to germinate. Now the idea is just, we're going to get wet again. Job you got to do on a nice warm day, Jack.
Oh yeah.
Hey, if we do this,
not the best job in winter.
If we do this well, oh yeah, you old enough to drink beers?
Yeah.
We can have a little good George to celebrate when we finish this, eh? Love your work. Right guys, hey listen, you'll see our beautiful tall fescue seed that we sowed, it's about 10 days ago, 12 days ago. It's looking great, it's just germinated. This autumn's a great time of year to grow grass, Jack. And
Nice.
I told your man that as well. He's learning lots about his lawn.
Yeah.
You'll note though the trees dropping its leaves. Leaves can be a bit of a pain for the lawn, so a little job, not today because I've now got it wet, but when it's dried, just grab your blower and blow some of the leaves off this, because they end up by getting mulch into the surface, and we don't want that. They're covering the seed, doesn't get the water to it. So leaves are a bit of a pain this time of year, but however, hey, it's autumn, beautiful in New Zealand, great growing conditions, so we'll accept it. But another job for you to earn a bit more money here at Waikato Sheds, mate.
Sweet as.
Love your work.
Hey guys, back here on a lovely Friday afternoon at Waikato Sheds. So today, mainly I've been doing a bit of cleaning, but I help KJ with the irrigation systems, the Rainbird ones, making sure that they're on point so that they go around very nicely, and then we're not spraying the building with water, not spraying the road, or just having an excess waste of water. Throughout the week we've also been doing certain things, like while Jasmine has been cleaning the windows and cleaning parts of the shed, I've been down at Brian's New Lands digging a trench. That was a beautiful day and a half of digging. Man, I look forward to it.
Pie tasting. We also went pie tasting at Ronnie's in Morrinsville. I gave some tips on how to clean some windows. Oh, we moved all of that stuff.
Oh yeah. Also not mentioned in the video, spent Monday and Tuesday mainly moving things around in our other sheds, you know, making sure that the steel was there and all this stuff, and moving the timber into different places so they'd just be easier to get around for everyone else. So, you know, the people in the office are very busy, so we're just here to try and make their lives a bit easier.
It's been a long week, and we are both really looking forward to going home and enjoying our weekends. See you next time.
See ya. See ya.